Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up OBS Studio with Voicemod so you can use custom voice effects in your streams and recordings. Without any further ado, let's get started. Before we jump into OBS, there's one crucial step you need to take first. Make sure you open up the Voicemod app on your desktop and have it running in the background. This is essential because OBS needs Voicemod to be active in order to detect and use it as an audio source. Without Voicemod running, you won't see the option we need later in the setup process. Now that Voicemod is up and running, go ahead and open your OBS Studio application. Once OBS launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the Sources panel, which is where all your audio and video inputs are managed. In the Sources section, you'll notice a small plus icon. Click on this plus icon to reveal a menu of different source types you can add to your OBS setup. From the list that appears, select Audio Input Capture. This option allows you to add external audio devices to your broadcast, which is exactly what we need for Voicemod. A new window will pop up giving you the option to name this audio source. You can rename it to something like Voicemod or any other name that helps you identify it easily, but this step is completely optional. Once you've decided on a name or chosen to keep the default, click OK to proceed to the next step. Now you'll see the Properties window for your new audio input source. At the top of this window, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Device. Click on this drop-down menu to see all the available audio input devices connected to your computer. From this list, locate and select Microphone Voicemod. This is the virtual microphone that Voicemod creates, and selecting it tells OBS to capture audio that's been processed through Voicemod's voice effects. After making your selection, click OK to confirm and close the Properties window. And that's it. OBS will now receive your voice with all the Voicemod effects applied in real time. Your streams and recordings will now feature whatever voice modifications you've set up in Voicemod, whether that's a robot voice, pitch shifting, or any other effect you choose. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.